It doesn't even look like me. Who this? Who? Hi guys. If you don't know me, I'm Kitana. If you know me, welcome back. Thanks for visiting again. It's been crazy. Very busy. COVID is... We don't speak of COVID, do we? I've been very busy, you know, still things. And I have a new wig. What do we think of that? It's like new me. I look like a bitch. A good bitch. Yeah. So in this video, we're gonna be doing this eye and makeup look. How draggy it looks. I'm obsessed. I'm not usually this draggy, but it looks sick, man. Sick. If you enjoyed this video, please leave it a like. I would really appreciate it. We've hit 800 subscribers. This is just crazy amount of people. Like, imagine 800 people in one place. If we could hit like 1,000 one day, that would be amazing. But thank you guys for coming back. Leave a like, comment or subscribe. It will mean a lot to me. If you want to learn how to do this makeup, stay tuned. Let's get right into the video. This look is kinda dark, you know, spooky, but it's kinda sexy, you know, very draggy. Big eye, love it. Look at the comparison. What is going on? Ah! Have some cute hair. You've not seen this hair before on me. Oh my god. Purple eyebrows. Oh my god. Slating. This is just crazy. Can you imagine? How cute does it look though? I had to put my earphones in because better sound, better quality sound for you. Microphone. I have a mirror down here, so if I'm looking down, I'm not doing anything crazy, you know, I'm not summoning any spirits. Morphe Jeffree Star brush JS9. It to put red all over the lid. It's nice blending brush, so it's kind of cute. And we're gonna be using 35B Morphe, the red color. Look how pigmented that is. This is just crazy. I'll show you how the outline to the edge of the eyebrow. It's kind of hard to blend with blending brushes on covered eyebrows because, you know, you don't want to move the glue away because I will start looking crazy. Guys, if you would like me to do like any more of Q&As, because we have only one on my channel, if you didn't see it, you didn't see it because it's a good one, but I think it's time for another one. Does anyone like me? Does anyone want to ask me questions now? Let me down below if you would like me to do another Q&A. As you can see, this is our like outline. And then I go with the same brush and the same color. We go down because we're using the same colors, because as you can see. I thought, since I've not done a draggy makeup in a very long time, it's about time. We can put it on my shoulder, you know? Goodbye. And we can go with this red to deepen the color. Then we go a bit lower, but at the same time, go at the bottom as well, you know, don't be afraid, because then we're gonna put some black and we're gonna cover it all. Where Kitana I should be drinking champagne and some villa with a pole. Yes, not working, no, honey. Okay. Can I say stuff like this about my own makeup? Oh, nearly broke the wall with my color. So now we have to go with our black, same palette, 35B Morphe, and then we've got our Jeffree Star and Morphe. What's the name of this one? JS10. It's kind of flat and cute, you know, precise. Just a tip. Crazy. We put it in the corner. And we finished. Oh my god. Now let's put it. Like, don't be afraid because it's gonna be blended all over the place. Here's 6. It's kinda cute like this. Can you see the black on it? I use this one. And just blend it, I guess, until it looks kinda cute. Bear in mind it's gonna take ages to blend. It's a kinda, how do I have to look this expensive, you know? If you keep blending, then we're gonna get this, and then we're gonna do a little eyeliner. We'll do a little bit cut crease like this, pointy. Oh yes, that big. With our red brush, and we're gonna go on the top to blend it a little bit more. Our new year, new me. So now that we have our eyeshadow kind of getting somewhere, we're gonna take some flat brush. This one doesn't have a name. It's technique, I think, maybe, I don't know. And we're gonna go over stick foundation. I use Revolution stick foundation in color F1. This is the lightest one of them all. I use it for my highlights, and I use it for, so take some on your brush. It's kind of gonna turn like pink, but that's fine because it looks cute. Go to the middle of your eye where, so it meets with the black eyeshadow, kind of like that. And you just go in here, make it a bit pointy. And with this same brush at the bottom, we can connect it like that, kind of like this. So you know, from the bottom. But now we go with the black again, with the flat one. And you can go from the bottom, take some more black from here. And we can underline this bit. Just like that. Oh, what is this? Oh, hell no. Hell no. We're gonna repeat this with a sponge. Kinda like this, but it's very dark, so we go with our blending one. Like that. And then we can take our eyeliner and do a little line. Just a little. So now that we've got our little eyeliner going on or whatever, we go with the black brush. You know what? This is a perfect look. If you don't have many brushes, you just use them all. Take some black and blend it at the end of the line. I think this look is very good. I'm gonna get the Oscar for it. You just wait. Now we're gonna get some lashes and we're gonna pop them on. How cute does it look? So what do we think, guys? They go brown. I forgot to tell you, this is very high-end brand, you know, no one can get Primark lipstick. Oh my god, how could you? No, but jokes aside, it's actually a good lipstick. There's some brand as well. And you will throw it in the bag, and you know what happens. Then we're just gonna add a few different shades. More. Goes nice, or like, because it's the lightest one. I'm gonna let it dry and we'll see what happens. So guys, I'm gonna put some clothes on. You know, I cannot be naked all the time. I'm gonna put a wig on and I'll be right back. Actually, it dried. It looks cute. Lip gloss, Morphic lip gloss. It's called lip gloss. Isaac vibe. Okay, this is cute. Okay, I'll put my wig on and some clothes and I'll be right back. Oh my god. That looks sick. Duh. Okay, I thought with clothes I'm not gonna be extra. Look, I look like Spider-Man. This is a cute look, isn't it? The only problem is the lace is a bit dark. It doesn't even look like me. Who this? Who? Thank you guys for watching, for coming back to my channel. I really appreciate it. If you like this video, leave a like, subscribe, or even a comment. I'll be very pleased with that. We've hit 800 subscribers, guys. This is shocking number. Imagine 800 people in one place. At least I know that there's someone watching me, and you know. So guys, thank you for coming back. See you in another one.